Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about City Fitness cancellation process. So if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me on this video guide. Go to this URL, friends, City Fitness, as you can see here, phrase or cancel. You will see this form. Scroll down, choose this one option, cancel my membership. From here, cancel membership, scroll down, choose any wish to want to cancel subscription, choose a gym membership, and then scroll down. You have 13 days policy, this one, click as soon as possible, scroll down, is there anything could have different, choose anyone for your accounts. After that, friends, would you ever consider routing? Click this now, yes, click personal info. When you click personal info, friends, just wait. You will see this forum. Choose a home club and name and email address, and then click submit a request. Complete and fill all this information, and then click submit a request. Write your email and phone and home club and birthday. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this.